All right, hello guys. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as usual, on this session, we'll be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for entry opportunities. Guys, I hope you all are ready. So, if you don't have enough balance in your accounts, I'll suggest you start depositing right now. So, if you click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get to enjoy a one-on-one live trading session with me. Okay. So guys, let's analyze the market and see what we can make from the market today, right? Okay. So we are currently on XAU which is the gold, and the market has been making bullish moves from this price point. Okay, so we are currently on the 4-hour time frame, and I just want to show you. I want to quickly show you why this market has been trading to the down to the upside. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we have this other block, a 4-hour time frame order block. And as you can see, the market has been trading from the other block ever since it touched the other block, right? So the other scenario we have here is the liquidity. So we have a liquidity graph. You see how this market went up. So we have a liquidity graph from this point to this point. I think I didn't do that one. Let me make another line.
So Richard was trying to join back and she
Okay. So we have a change of character, and then we have what other things we have? We have so this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. I just want to see what would happen when the market get into the 50% of this fair value gap. Okay. So for me, I believe the market is going to continue to go up, but before that, I think the market, can reverse a bit, give a sell opportunity on the lower time frame before continuing to trend bullish, right? So this is my analysis on XAUUSD. This is my analysis on XAUUSD, guys. All right. So today we'll be making analysis on the crypto instrument too. All right. So since the beginning of this week, I don't think we've had analysis on the BTC USDT or the Ethereum USD, a proper analysis. Yeah, I know we go into the instrument once in a while to see what the market is doing. But for today, let's properly analyze the market and see if we can get a scalping opportunity, right? So you see, this analysis was made last week. You see, the market is still trading to the downside. Okay, so this is my second TP. I think the market has already hit my first TP. Yes. So my first TP is around the. You see, my first TP has been met, right? So let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to let's say the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that the market has been trading to the downside. Okay, the market has been trading.
Just customers like what the event has said. That's the same thing I'm facing. I have got a customer that made their visit. So I don't know.
Okay.
And the next thing they will tell me they can't find the money in their trading account. So I do complain on the other receipt. The one they said they reported day before yesterday has not been resolved till now. And the customer.
So we have.
Though I spoke with the government and she said they are still.
We have another confirmation here, and
Yes.
this actually push the price to the upside. Okay, it's still pushing the price upward. And what happened here is because we have this fair value gap, and as you can see, the market reversed from the fair value gap. The market reversed from the fair value gap, started making bullish trend. So as you can see, this is the reason why the market is currently, trading to the upside. Okay, this is why we have this move because of this trend line. And then even if we're not using the trend line, for me, I don't usually use the trend line because I use the SMC strategy, the SMC way to analyze the market. So what we have here right now is we have this big fair value gap, and I think the market is trying to move from this fair value gap. Okay, and then aside the fair value gap, we also have okay. But overall, you can see the market is actually on a downtrend, right? It's on a downtrend. The market is on a downtrend, and yes. So we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure. Okay. Then we have inducement where the market went up to induce and then sold to the downside. So for me, I think the market is going to continue to go down. Okay, because we have a break of structure there. So I think the market is going to continue to go down. Okay. So now let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay. So I don't get a proper entry. Okay, I still see something around here that suggests that the market might want to, move down from this point. Okay. So on a normal sense, this whole area is a reversal point. Okay. On the 1 hour time frame, this whole area is a reversal point. But the reason why we are not going to place this trade here is because of this huge level where we have to set our stop loss. Okay. So if I'm going to place this trade here, my sell is definitely going to be here. And then my stop loss, as you see, is very huge. Okay, I can't afford my stop loss to be here. I can't afford that. Okay. All right. So on the 2 hour time frame, I think it's from here. Okay. So it still went above it. Okay.
Okay, so for me, for this week, okay, for me, for this week,
Yeah.
okay, for me, for this week, I'm still, okay, so for this week, I've been doing my customers, basically, customers is going to check movements. I do not know maybe because I've tried to call them before now. The problem last week customers immediately.
So my first take profit is going to be here. Okay. Then my second take profit, uh, on the normal sense, I wouldn't allow my trade to go below the 50% of this fair value gap because the market is going to make a major move around that zone. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to mark out the 50% of, the fair value gap around this one. I'm going to mark out the 50%, and I don't want. So you see, this is the 50%. So I'm going to indicate that with this. Yes, I'm going to do that. All right. So uh, my second take profit is going to be here. I don't want it to go. I don't want it to go below the 50% level because the market can get here and decides. The market can decide to like maybe want to buy to the upside for a bit, give us some drawdowns. So I don't want that. So my second take profit is just going to be here. My first take profit is going to be on this low, right? But right now we don't have. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frame because we are currently on the higher time frame. Okay, we are currently on the higher time frame. I don't see any opportunity here. Opportunity here on the higher time frame. All right, so on the lower time frame, we need to wait for confirmation here. Right. We need to wait for confirmation. Okay, I think I can move my stop loss a bit because I don't see the market coming to this level. Whatever will make the market to come to this level again means that the market, uh, might be changing direction. So, okay, guys. So, we have analysis on BTC USDT. But the reason why I'm not going to give this out is because our stop loss is very huge. Okay.
Yes, we can.
Our stop loss here is very huge, and plus we don't have a proper confirmation for entry yet. Okay, we don't have a proper confirmation for entry yet, though we have a double top. Okay, we have a double top, but and then we also have the market moving from this point of interest, right? So for the higher time frame, this is enough, but the lower time frame, I'm not too sure. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Let's analyze Ethereum. Yeah, let's analyze Ethereum. They have similar moves. So if Ethereum confirms that the market is really going to sell from here, then we can come back and place our order on BTC USDT also. Okay. So I also have this trade on Ethereum USDT. I gave the signal out last week, and everybody who took the signal made heavy amount of money, right? So
So I have to tell them that we use third party channel that you shouldn't be scared about it. There are no crypto exchanges. Then you go ahead to make the deposit actually. Yes.
all right. So this is currently moving from this point of interest. Okay, we have a point of interest here. So let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame. Yes. So on the 30 minutes time frame here, we can clearly see that the market actually reversed from this level. Okay, and we've had a lot of reversal. We have liquidity here. So this can be our liquidity, not change of character. So we have liquidity here. Let's delete this. Change this to liquidity zone, where the market purchased liquidity. Okay. Yeah. So it can also be an inducement level. Right. It can also be an inducement level because the market induced everybody, all the retailers who thought the market was going to sell from here. The market induced them all. Okay, took their stop loss, making them lose to the market, and then the market started selling afterwards. Right. So here is where we have our change of character, and then okay, so let's continue.
Today it has been very, very often, like very, very.
Okay, guys, let's continue. All right. So,
Okay, so it's very back here. This is out, and as such,
all right.
this is now and as such, the network.
So we are currently on the 30 minutes time frame of Ethereum USDT, and as I've said earlier, you can see that the market had previously reversed from this point. Okay, the market has reversed from this point, and it has also reversed from the area where we have okay.
Yes, I'm not. And Yes. Yes, yes. The moment price goes out, the next one goes out.
All right. So the analysis here also suggests that the market is going to sell, right? So it also suggests that the market is going to drop.
In the next shop that we're talking about, sorry, in the white we're talking about.
So just as we have it on BTC USDT, see is we have similar. You see, we have similar formation here. We also have double tops, right? We have double tops, and then this looks like as if the market want to reject from this zone. So what we're going to do here is, I think we'll rather allow the market. Let's allow the market to break below this level. Okay. So after the break below this level, okay, let's. I don't want to use. I think we should use this instead. Yeah. So let's use this instead, so we don't complicate things, right? And for this, the market is going to come back to this level. All right. So after the break of this level, this is going to be like a liquidity pool on the lower time frame. So let's switch to the 15 minutes time frame. We already have a liquidity here, then the market, you see. So this is going to be our liquidity pool for this. Yeah, this is going to be our liquidity. And then we want the market. Now what we want is, we want this market to go down below here, using this level as our change of character level. Okay, we want this to be our change of character level. And then after the change of character, we want to see the market go back into this area to make a retest. And then that is when we are going to take advantage of it and place the buy trade. All right. So we have analysis on BTC USDT. We have analysis on Ethereum USDT. Let's go back to the BTC USDT. So you see, we can't place this trade right now because of the leg that is being created here. Okay, and the market really hasn't gone below the level. Okay, we need this market to go below this level. All right. So we have analysis on Ethereum USDT. We have analysis on BTC USDT, but none of them has met our criteria to sell. Right. So now we're going to make analysis on the Nasdaq. Okay. So whichever one you want to call it, NAS 100, Nasdaq, NSDQ, it's all the same. Okay. So what we're going to do here is, you see on the 4 hour time frame.
So thank you for this. Can you hear me?
On the 4 hour time frame, we have. Let me do this so we can see the charts better. So on the 4 hour time frame, let's start with the 4 hour time frame. Let's make the analysis down to the lower time frame to see if we can get any opportunity. Right. So from here we have this liquidity pool, and then we saw that the market change or reverse from this point. So here we have the change of character. Okay. And before the change of character, I think we also have, the market slanting down. Right. So we have this also. And then we have the market rejection. So I believe this market is going to buy up to this level. Okay. So what we can do here is we can actually look out for buy opportunity. Right. We can actually look out for buy opportunity from here. Okay. We can look for buy opportunity. Because we can clearly see that the market reversed from this point. Okay, reversed from this point. And then we also have a break of structure from here. So let me zoom out on this. Yes. So this is perfect. And
Okay, so
the market has been buying from this point. Okay. After the break of structure here, you see how the market made this move back into the other block. and then since then the market has been pulling up. The market is currently here, and you can see how much we could have made from this trade if we had got this
Okay,
opportunity.
so I don't know if giving up is observing one fact about this question. I noticed that some of my customers when they chat to and repeat to for choosing the several treatment. Um, these customers I noticed that
Right?
some of them are illiterate. Like the group will join the app with the hope that once they put so certain amount, they will get like still benefits without them knowing. I feel like that is why we try to act. That is what we do. Because even when you say them this street, some of them they can now reply to your chat and okay, fine, how can I be of assistance to build you? Most of them will just share with you that this is where I am not sure. Is it after they meet the truth and they just come back to you and you disappeared? I don't know what's
Right.
happened to them. Then now be like, how did your bank do that? Did you place it? They'll say no. Most
All right. So I believe the market is still going to move up to this point. You see, I've indicated that already. I've indicated that. Okay. All right. So we have analysis on Mars 100. Uh, we have analysis on Mars 100. Okay. So let's go check on BTC, USDT, and the Ethereum to see if our analysis criteria has met. Okay. Nope, it hasn't. Okay. Then let's go to gold. Okay, let's see what's going on with gold. On gold, I think I have area where I said I believe the market was going to sell from. All right. So here we do have this zone where I think the market can reverse from. Okay. But if we are going to use this, then our stop loss is going to be a lot wilder. Okay, because this is the 4 hour time frame, and we can't afford to take this trade from the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so we have this low.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
All right, so we have our change of character here, and I believe the market is going to reverse from this point okay, downwards. I think it's going to reverse downwards. All right. So yeah. All right. So we have this zone, and the market can decide to move from here. But aside this, we also have a fair value gap here. So I don't want to go forward with this analysis, but I think we should wait for a proper rejection, before we decide if we are going to open a position or not. Okay. So for now, I'll suggest we wait for proper rejection. Okay. Let's see if this market, if this is going to reject from this level, right? So because we also have a fair value gap here, and then we have this other block. So the market can, can decide to move from the fair value gap and the other block, which makes sense. And then the market can also decide to come to, this tiny fair value gap here. But I highly doubt that the market will come up to this fair value gap. But it doesn't hurt to, wait and then see how the market rejects the level. So if the market properly rejects this level, then we open a sell position, right? We open a sell position if it gets rejected. So we have about 7 minutes to the end of the current candle, and we are currently on the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. So guys, let's be patient. Let's see how the candle closes. If the candle closes with a long wick and a small body, or maybe, yeah, I think that has been created already. We have a small body with a long wick. So the next confirmation now is a bearish candle. Okay, we want to see maybe another rejection candle or a candle formation that suggests that the market is going to sell from this point, from this price point. Okay, so my expectation here is a bearish engulfing candle. Yes. So my expectation is a bearish engulfing candle. I have two actually. So a bearish engulfing candle or a rejection candle. Okay. Well, any other candle formation that suggests a sell here is actually okay. But since we already have a rejection candle I think the next candle should be a bearish engulfing candle, right? So if the next candle is a bearish engulfing candle, yes, that's superb. And we're going to open a sell position from this price point. Okay, so this would be our take profit, and the high would be our stop loss. Okay, right. So now we have 5 minutes thereabouts to the end of this current candle, and we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Right. So let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see that the market is struggling to reverse down. Okay. All right, so less than 5 minutes to the close of this candle. Less than 5 minutes to the end of the current candle, and we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we are currently on 1 hour time frame. All right, so less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes and few more seconds to the end of this current candle. So once the candle closes, we are going to open. If the candle closes and then gives us, you know, a candle formation for a sell signal, then we are going to open a sell position from this price point. Okay. So what we're waiting for here right now is a confirmation to sell. Right. What we are waiting for is a confirmation to sell, and we are currently on the 1 hour time frame on XAU USD. So if this is your first time of joining my live stream, I hope you're enjoying the session. And you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, and if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10, $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. Okay. If you deposit $15, $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So about the group, the premium group is where I give premium signals, give market analysis and market reports. Right. So join us in the premium group. Come and enjoy the benefits. Come and enjoy over 85% winning rate signals. All you have to do is just click on the banner where they put it with benefit is written on, right? And it will take you straight to the deposit page. All right, so how many more minutes? Okay, so the candle has closed. Now let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, so the candle we got here on the 1 hour time frame doesn't seem like the market is going to go down anytime soon. Okay, and on the 30-minute also, you can see the candle closed above. All right, so even though the bullish momentum is getting weak, the bulls are still forcing the market. Okay, so in this case, you don't want to enter for a sell, right? You don't want to enter for a sell trade until you are sure that the market has been taken over by the bears. Okay, so right now, guys, this is not a good entry for us. We're not going to open a sell position as we have hoped for, right? So BTC USDT. BTC USDT. Okay, we want to go back to BTC USDT to see our analysis. So the market didn't break this low, but it's back to the level. It's back to a level it has left off for. Okay, so I don't want us to end our session here. Which other popular instrument do we have? Let's make analysis on that. Okay, we have Euro USD. Okay, so let's make analysis from Euro USD. So on Euro USD, we have Euro USD. Okay, we average here, and the market is currently rejecting. Though we don't have a liquidity, but sometimes it's not necessary. The most important thing here is the break of structures. The break of structures here. And then we also have a breakup structure here. Right. So if this market is going to continue to go bullish, I think this is the point where that's going to happen from. Okay? Because from this point, we had a change of character here. Okay, we have a change of character. And then before the change of character, we have this wild fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and you see it aligned well with what we also have on the 30 minutes time frame. Only that on the 30 minutes time frame, we also have another block. Okay, we also have another block here. Have another block. So this other block is our point of interest. The fair value gap here is also a point of interest, right? So whichever level the Euro USD decides to fall to and make a U-turn, we're going to be waiting for it, right? And when I get a good and proper entry confirmation, I'm going to share the signal to the general group, right? So guys, make sure to pay attention to the general group. Uh, so guys, that will be all for today, and we are already at the end of the week. So guys, if you are in my premium group and you've made profit for this week, make sure to withdraw part of your profit to enjoy your weekend, right? So we continue from where we are going to be leaving it here. We're going to continue from there on Monday. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and remember to keep a close attention to the general group. When I get a good entry for Euro USD, I'm going to share it there. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day.